We'll start, okay?
Mm,
Let us
Okay, sir.
first problem. Define power of a lens and its SI unit. And then we have two lenses, A and B. A has, you can see right screen.
Yes, sir.
You have two lenses, A lens, correct? Why is not allowing me to take 10? Hmm. We have A and B have focal length 10
Mm.
centimeters minus 10. State their nature and power, both of them. Which lens forms a virtual magnified image of an object placed 8 centimeters away? Can you solve in 10 seconds? 10 seconds.
Okay, sir. I'll do.
Yes, sir.
And tell me all your answers. The time है 5:18. No? 2 minutes. Whatever answer you get, you type, okay, in the chat. And you send your solutions on WhatsApp. What is power? Power is equal to 1 by focal length, right?
Yes,
Diopter.
sir.
Represented as diopter. Can complete the spelling. Diopter. Okay. And one focus length is
Yeah.
positive 10 and other is negative 10. So what will you get power? Right? You have to do 100 divided by focal length, right? It's in centimeters, no? Because it's in centimeters, you have to use 100 on the numerator. Right?
Yes, sir.
You will get plus 10 diopter. And then for length B, you will get minus 10 diopter. Right? So this is a convex. This is a convex, no? Convex lens, right?
Yes, sir.
Convex lens. You know? The focus is on this side, no? On the positive side. If we focus positive means it is convex lens. Right? And if it is a concave, what happens? Ray of light comes, it will diverge, no? But it will appear
Yes,
to
sir.
be behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means this is negative only. So focal length is negative means concave length. Now for an object at 8 centimeters, what will happen? It is in between. Object is in between optical center and focal point, right? For a convex lens, if the object is between the optical center and focal point, that means object distance is less than focal point. So image will be magnified, erect and virtual. For concave, always virtual diminished. Always virtual diminished. Wherever the object is, whether it is infinity or close to the lens, it is always virtual, diminished and virtual diminished and
Correct.
Erect.
right. Okay. Next question, solve this one. Second problem. Question 2. We have this and one more, and then we'll wind up for today. So I'll give you 1 minute to solve this problem. Take a minute and solve. To get the answer, put in the chat. Put your answer in the chat. आया किसी का आया? Work on your speed. Chalo, let's solve this problem. One half of convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is covered with black paper. Will the image be formed? Tell me first whether will the image be formed?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Image will be formed. Yes, the lens will complete the image, right? Because one ray will go like this, parallel to principal axis, and other will go to the optical center. This optical center will pass straight, right? And what was given? It is covered. It is covered, right? And focal length is 10. And the image is at 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters means this focal length from here to here is 10. So 2f will be how much? 20. So this is 20. And from here to here is given 30, right? Object distance is 30. That means it will be beyond 2f. Right? Focus is f is 10. So 2f will be 20. And it is given that object distance is 30. So it will be beyond 2f. So when the object is beyond 2f, then the image will be formed between f2 and 2f2. Right? Image will be formed between. So you will get the full image. Covering reduces the brightness, but not the completeness. Okay, it will be less brighter, but you will still see the image. Fine.
Yes, sir.
This problem is solved. 2 centimeter tall object placed 15 centimeter from the convex lens of focal length 20. Find nature, position, and size. You noted down this problem. Take screenshot of this. Take screenshot of this and send the solution on WhatsApp to me. Okay. WhatsApp karo.
Okay, sir.
What's send it on what's. Okay, next problem. Solve this one now. Third problem. Third problem solve. Giving you a minute. Lesser than a minute for you. What is V is equal to 60. Send me the solution on WhatsApp also. Silo. Okay. I got somebody's answer for the second problem, I think. So send me on WhatsApp also. So I'll start solving this problem. Third problem, you have AB and you have CD, which are two spherical mirrors from here, from the single sphere. On this side, on AB, polishing is on the inner side. That means what will be this mirror? Can you put on the chat what will be the mirror? AB will be which mirror? You're there or going to sleep?
AB is concave mirror.
There.
AB will be?
Concave mirror.
Huh?
Concave mirror AB.
AB concave. Are you sure?
It's no, sir. Convex, I think.
Convex, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Another one,
That will be concave.
concave, because it is reflecting on the inner side. See, inner side is reflecting. Remember
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay? Now, focal length of the spherical mirror depends only on the radius of curvature, right? R by 2. And for both the radius is same. This radius from here to here, this is R. This is also R, right? Right. So the focus here or focus here will be same, no, in the center. Agreed?
Yes.
Focal length ratio will be 1:1. Okay. Mirror AB convex, diverging, and the other mirror will be concave. Okay, that's all for today. That's all for today. You have to solve problem B and send me the detailed steps on WhatsApp. Okay. And on Monday,
Okay, sir.
electricity. Monday we will start with electricity, and then we will solve more problems of lenses.